Hello friends, finally I received Coolmaster PSU from Amazon. Recently I booked a Coolmaster PSU from Amazon. Actually I have an assembled desktop. In that assembled desktop I had a low quality PSU. I used it for 15 days and as it is low quality PSU, my desktop is little powerful. When my desktop boot up, it required huge energy which low quality PSU unable to provide the energy. Hence when desktop boot up, low quality PSU fan rotate fast got PSU fan problem. I can hear fan rotation noise. So I bought this Cooler Master PSU. If you want to buy this PSU, link is in description. You can see laminated cover packing on the Cooler Master box. Cooler Master have two versions, that is V1 and V2. This one is the latest version. Recently it has been launched. So you might have seen few comments and few ratings in the Amazon. As you know, Cooler Master is very popular company. V1 version itself was very popular and this V2 version upgraded version of V1. In PSU we have modular PSU, non-modular PSU and semi-modular PSU. Modular PSU means you can remove all the wires from the PSU. Non-modular PSU means you can't remove any wire from the PSU. Semi-modular means except few wires you can remove other wires from the PSU. Non-modular PSU is little cheap when you compare to semi-modular and the modular PSU. Modular PSU is costly. Now let's unbox and see what we get inside the box. Hit that subscribe button till I unbox that PSU. Inside the box first we will see the user manual. You can go through the user manual, you will know all the features about this PSU. And this is the PSU power cable. It comes with the UK pin. If you are living in India, then you have to purchase a UK to Indian pin converter. Inside here there is a fuse which protects your PSU from voltage variation. PSU is inside the plastic bubble bag which protects PSU from damage because of the bubbles. And inside the box we have screws for PSU. Now let's remove PSU and see. You can see the PSU looks premium. There is no damage on the PSU. Looks premium. Coolmaster MWE Bronze V2 450 to 30 watts. You can see the fan is really large. If you are running big games, then it will cool your PSU components. Cable's quality is good too. And as it is non-modular PSU, you can't remove any cable from the PSU. It is attached permanently to the PSU. PSU is very important because it affects your component. If you buy cheap power supply, then it might affect your costly components such as motherboard, processor, etc. Let's connect the PSU. First connect CPU pin. This CPU pin is an inbuilt graphic pin. This PSU has two CPU pin. If one pin get damaged or one pin is not working, then you can change the pin. In local PSU you will get only one CPU pin. If this wire get damaged or if this wire stop working, you have to change complete PSU. But in Cooler Master we have one extra pin, so that if one pin stop working you can change the pin. You don't need to change the complete PSU, you can change the pin. Now next we will connect the board power supply pin. Connect DVD writer. If you buy costly PSU with Japanese capacitor, then PSU itself will say
Japanese capacitor number 1
as the PSU is made up of high quality products, that's why PSU will get long time of warranty. Manufacturer will say, kid, take this PSU, you will get 5 years warranty. Manufacturer knows that the quality is good and the products which they use is really good and long lasting. Connect hard disk pin and connect fan pin. This pin is for the graphic card. If you have graphic card, you can connect this pin to the graphic card. As it is non-modular PSU, so it is a little bit difficult and complicated to arrange wires inside the CPU cabinet. Now let's turn on desktop. You can listen, there is no fan noise at all. It's like still desktop is off. It sounds like desktop is off.
स्क्रीन देख क्या कर दी छोड़ो छोड़ो छोड़ो
If you want to buy this PSU, link is in description. That's it in this video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.